Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews on the latest kitchen gadgets. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile kitchen tools out there, the 4-in-1 cutting board. First off, let's talk design. Crafted from durable, food-safe materials, this cutting board is engineered to make your kitchen tasks not only easier but also more efficient. It integrates 4 essential functionalities seamlessly into one sleek package. Whether you're prepping ingredients for a gourmet meal or simply looking for a space-saving solution in your kitchen, this board has you covered. Let's break down its features. First, it includes multiple cutting surfaces, a chef's dream for keeping flavors separate and kitchen workflow smooth. But that's not all. It also comes with integrated containers and storage drawers, perfect for organizing freshly chopped ingredients or collecting scraps. Plus, non-slip feet and ergonomic handles ensure stability and comfort while you work, making it ideal for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs alike. Now, let's talk user experience. The feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. Users love how this board streamlines their kitchen routines, saving both time and effort. Its durability is another standout feature, built to withstand the rigors of daily use without compromising on quality or performance. In conclusion, the 4-in-1 cutting board isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a game changer. From its innovative design to its practical features, it's clear why this product stands out among the rest. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen setup, click the link in the description below to get your hands on the best 4-in-1 cutting board available today. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more reviews on the latest products that enhance your everyday life. Until next time, happy cooking!